I'm Tom McCoy, Training and Development Manager at TPC Wire and Cable. TPC serves a wide variety of customer industries, including steel, auto manufacturing, shipyards, wood pulp and paper, utility, transportation, and many others. TPC products are specially engineered to be more durable and longer lasting than commodity products that are commonly on the market. This reduces customer labor and downtime from the unscheduled repair and replacement of damaged or worn out cables.
Yeah, my name's Jay Hathaway. I'm the Utility Business Development Manager at TPC Wire and Cable. TPC supports electrical, utility, transmission, and distribution companies and mobile substation manufacturers with medium voltage products and services. In addition, we offer customized cable trailers for storage and deployment of our medium voltage cables.
TPC products are backed by our highly skilled sales associates, product managers, and design engineers. We collaborate closely with our customers to optimize operations, anticipate problems before they occur, and design a solution specifically to your specifications.
What we do is we stock the cable at TPC, so customers can buy exactly what they want. They can be customized by length, so we can cut those cables here. That saves them money because they don't have to inventory excessive product that they don't need.
To better serve our customers, we're committed to quality through active participation in ISO 9001 certification. Our training team works very closely with our product team and our sales associates to make sure that every associate fully understands the features and benefits of TPC's product.
One of the great services that TPC provides is we're a one-stop shop. In many cases, customers would have to go to a cable company for the cable, a connector company for the connectors, and they don't want to have to go to all those different vendors to supply a finished product. Great thing about TPC is we can provide all those solutions in one package.
TPC Wire and Cable is really the best solution for any plant that suffers from any of the abuses that can cause wire and cable to fail, whether it's flexing, impact and abrasion, oils, coolants and chemicals, or extreme temperatures.
TPC can provide custom printing services for customers that want their own company name printed on the jacket of the cable. And so we provide that service in-house for short runs of cable or long runs of cable.
Over the years, TPC has worked very closely with its customers on what we call a cost-value analysis, showing labor and downtime savings versus product cost over time. And the longer you use TPC product, the more money you save. TPC's products, capabilities, and services reflect the innovative thinking that solves problems every day throughout North America and beyond. Allow TPC Wire and Cable Company to power your performance.